So good evening. This is your look ahead for the week of April 3rd, 2016. A few things we're going to look at just briefly. There's not really much we have on forex except for a couple things coming up in the forex calendar later in the week. But what we're going to look at is, obviously this is going to be a key role, is the Aussie dollar. Whether it's going to be going higher, lower, we really don't know. Again, this is the daily chart, so we had a sell in here that we're going to keep, that we haven't actually opened yet, but we're going to look for a sell in this structure. We see it's kind of mixed up in this structure a little bit. It has done a close, but it has never closed above this high of this candle, so we're still waiting for it to see if that'll come through. The other thing that we're going to look at is the Euro Aussie. That's going to be affected this week. We've been in a pretty nice downturn. The Aussie's been pretty strong, so we have going to come into this sell zone. If we can come back down into this sell zone, it'd be really, really nice for us for some of our charts. And the other is the trade we had on for the US CAD. We had this on and we actually closed this trade, but we had a really bad end to this daily candle, so we're now in a pin bar. And so we're looking for that to come back up. The other things we have on the calendar, we are looking at Forex Factory for the calendar right now. Two of the things that we're going to look at are, obviously this is going to be of big importance whenever Yellen speaks and Draghi speaks on the same day, April 7th. But the other two big things are on the 6th, we have the FOMC minutes. And then the big ones are going to be the CAD with the cash rate and the RBA statement. And then also pretty much every day for the first 3 days this week, Aussie is going to be in focus. So keep Aussie in focus for every day this week. The other thing that we have on the calendar is an earnings call. And we're actually looking at a few of these on the earnings calls, and we actually saw that Monsanto has an earnings call coming up the middle of this week, and it could be a big play into the price of the stock. Right now, the price of Monsanto sits at just where we really want to be. Kind of looking is it's coming right back down into a really nice zone right here that we're thinking we probably could be a good place to sell. So we're thinking Monsanto could be a really good buy in this range, or you could wait until you come down here into the 84 range. So not really much on the stocks this week. There will be some turmoil with some of the bank rates and some of the other things going on. We're not too worried about that at all. But so that's your weekly outlook. The heavy favorites this week are going to be anything with the Aussie, Euro dollar, Euro Aussie, Aussie US. Any of the Aussie pairs will be nice this week. We'll get some pretty big volatility in the markets, and also a couple things on the economic calendar for Nadex. And so that's pretty much all this week for your look ahead. Again, focus on the Aussie and also focus on a few of the charts. Look at some earnings calls.